Hi there. If you've been thinking of blocking new comments on your WordPress site while showing existing comments and discussions, you've stumbled upon the right video. Using the Disable Comments plugin, doing so is as easy as toggling a singular setting on or off. In this video, we will show you exactly how. First things first, ensure you have installed the Disable Comments plugin and activated it from your WordPress dashboard. Access the Disable Comments dashboard from Settings in the left side tab. Here, checking off Everywhere disables comments across your entire site. When you configure this, no new comments can be made. Just below, you will see a setting named Show Existing Comments. Toggle it on and click Save Changes. Let's check if our existing comments are showing now. Go to any of your blog pages to find new comments disabled while existing comments still shine through. Curious about how else to use Disable Comments? Explore more Disable Comments tutorials now. Like, subscribe, and let us know what you think.